Hello children, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. In yesterday's class we have completed our fourth lesson, that is in Science Olympiad, Protection of Animals and the Environment, right? And today we shall discuss all the objectives of this lesson, okay? Before starting this bit, first bit, that is true or false, and I forgot to take the pic of it. Okay, just I will dictate, I will read the question and write answers here. According to that you can write. Okay, first bit is what? True or false. I am writing here. Questions are not there with me. I forgot to take that pic, sorry. So see here, I am writing the answers beside true or false. First question is, afforestation is the act of destroying trees. Destroying means what? Cutting trees. They are saying that afforestation means cutting of trees. No, false. Afforestation means we should plant the trees, not cut the trees. Okay. So first answer is false. Moving to the second one. Second answer, see. The homes of animals should be cleaned regularly. Yes, it is true. So second answer is true. Third one. Questions are not there with me. I am reading. Listen carefully. Okay. The utensils used to feed animals should not be kept clean. So whatever food we give for animals in the utensils, no, they should be not kept clean. They are saying no, false. We should keep them clean every time. Yes or no? So third one is false. Fourth one. Chipko movement was started in the Gujarat, they are saying. Chipko movement was actually started in the Uttarakhand, not in Gujarat. So fourth answer is also false. And moving to the last one, in true or false. See, forests increase the amount of oxygen in the air. Yes, absolutely it is correct. Forest will increase the amount of oxygen in the air. So the first answer is true. First one is false, second one is true, third is false, fourth is false, and the last one is the true. Okay, these pics I have not taken. You can see and write it in your textbook. Okay, these are the first bit, true or false. Okay, now we shall move to the second bit, that is match the following. See here, I am zooming it. Yes, left side they have given some national park and sanctuaries, and right side you need to match in which state they are there. Okay, first one is what, Nana? Gundi National Park. Where is the Gundi National Park? I told for you, Tamil Nadu, right? So first answer is what? A, Tamil Nadu. Second one, Rangantittu National Park. Where is the Rangantittu Bird Sanctuary, and I told National Park, sorry. Rangantittu Bird Sanctuary is in the Karnataka, that is Bangalore, okay. So second one is what, Nana? E. And moving to the third one, Sundarbans National Park. Where it is? It is in the West Bengal, that is Kolkata. So Sundarbans National Park option is B, that is West Bengal. Fourth one, Jim Corbett National Park. It is in the Uttarakhand. So fourth answer is D. And moving to the last one, Eravakulam National Park. Where it is there? It is in the Kerala. Who don't know these answers, again you can read the lesson once or twice, then you will get all these answers. Okay. So Gundi National Park is in the Tamil Nadu. Rangantittu Bird Sanctuary is in the Karnataka. Sundarbans National Park is in the West Bengal. Jim Corbett National Park is in the Uttarakhand, and Eravakulam National Park is in the Kerala. This is C, okay, Kerala. Yes, now moving to the bits, Olympiad exercise bits. See here, I am zooming it. Is it clear, Nana? Yes. See, first question. How many tiger reserves are there in our country? In Project Tiger, I told for your government has given some tiger reserves for saving the tigers. So, how many are there? 15, 45, 53, 54. 45 is the answer. There are 45 tiger reserves in our country. Clear? 45. Second one. Where is Gundi National Park located? Just in the mass of following also we have seen. Gundi National Park is in Tamil Nadu. Yes or no? Yes. So option B is the right answer. Third one. The one-horned rhinoceros has become endangered. Instinct appearance none. Endangered means those has become rare. Now much are not there here. So the one-horned rhinoceros has become endangered. A bit is the answer. Clear? Now see fourth one. What is the fourth question, Nana? Where is Rangantittu Bird Sanctuary located? This also came in the match the following. It is in Karnataka. Rangantittu Bird Sanctuary is in Karnataka. So B bit is the right answer. Fifth one, see, which of the following movements was led by Sundarlal Bahuguna? I told one program, one movement was led by the Sundarlal Bahuguna. What is that? Chipko movement. A group of women went and hugged the trees and told to woodcutters that they should not cut the trees. Yes or no? This program, Chipko movement, was led by Sundarlal Bahuguna. Clear? Yes. Sixth one. Where is the headquarters of the IUCN? What is meant by IUCN? I told Nana. International Union for Conservation of Nature. This headquarters is in the Switzerland. I told that they are taking many rules to protect the nature. IUCN means International Union for Conservation of the Nature, which headquarters are in the Switzerland. Clear? Yes. Now see next bit, seventh bit. Which of the following action with regard to tiger is a punishable act? Protection, hunting, A and B and none. So what we do, if we do to tiger, there will be punishable act and hunting. That means if we kill the tigers, immediately a punishment will be given for us by the government. Okay, so B bit, hunting is the answer. Eighth one, where was Van Mahotsav started? So at which state the Van Mahotsav was started? They are asking. In which state, Nana? Gujarat. The Van Mahotsav was started in the Gujarat. Next one. What step among the following is taken by Indian government to protect the tigers? So for protecting tigers, what step the Indian government has took? Which movement? Van Mahotsav, Chipko, Bhagiratha, Project Tiger. For saving the tigers, Project Tiger was given by the government. Yes or no? Yes. So ninth bit is B, Nana. Now see 10th one. Where should the pets be kept? So where we should keep pets, they are asking. Okay, in zoos, at homes, in forest, on roads. At homes, we should keep the pets like dogs, cats, all this at our home. Clear? Yes. 11th one. What kind of a program is Van Mahotsav? Reforestation, deforestation, afforestation and affirmation. Afforestation, that means we should plant more and more trees in the Van Mahotsav program. Yes or no? Annually means yearly once the government will from the nurseries they will be providing the saplings for us. That means they will give us plants and we need to plant the trees. In the place of the trees, how many are cut, that many we need to plant. So this planting of trees is called as afforestation, I told. So what kind of program is Van Mahotsav, Nana? Afforestation. Clear? Next one. Where is Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary located? So where is the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Nana? Kerala. In Kerala, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is located. So 12th answer is C. Clear? Yes. Now moving to the next bit, 13th bit. See here I am zooming. How do forests act as on the earth? I told for you forest will play one main role on the earth. So forest will act as brain, nerve, heart, lungs. What did I told? Forest will act as the lungs on the earth, I told you. So 13th answer is D, Nana. And now see 14th question. What happens to the soil erosion if the forests are cut down? Soil erosion means what I told. On the land, the top layer of the soil is blown away when the wind comes, is called as a soil erosion. If more air comes, what will happen? The soil hole will be gone away. The top layer of the soil will be gone away. That is called as a soil erosion. So if the more and more forests are cut down, what will happen? The soil erosion will be increased. So 14th answer is B, increases. Clear? Now 15th one, see. In which state is Mangalavanam Bird Sanctuary located? So where is the Mangalavanam Bird Sanctuary? There they are asking in Kerala. In Kerala, Mangalavanam Bird Sanctuary is there. Clear? Why do human beings hunt animals? So say answer: pressure, leisure, treasure, pleasure. Pleasure. For their happiness, they are hunting the animals. So human beings hunt animals for their pleasure. Clear? Yes. Now see next one. Whom should we take animals to if they fall sick? So to which doctor we should take the animals if anything happened to them, if they got hurt or if they fall sick? Means veterinary doctor, I told you, right? Veterinary doctor means who, Nana? The doctor who treats the animals. Yes or no? If anything happened to animals, the doctor who takes care of those animals is known as the veterinary doctor. Okay? Yes, now see here ophthalmologist is there. Ophthalmologist means regarding the eyes. he will see about eyes. Yes or no? ENT means nose, ear, tongue. About this who sees, he is known as a ENT specialist. Like the animal who the doctor who takes care of these animals is known as the veterinary doctor. Clear? In which state was the Chipko movement started? In which state the Chipko movement was started? In Uttarakhand. But in options they have not given Uttarakhand. They gave Telangana, Gujarat, Rajasthan and D bit as all of this. So what you do is cut this bit, all of this you cut and write D bit as the Uttarakhand. Okay. So this Uttarakhand is the answer. The Chipko movement was started in the Uttarakhand. 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 Clear? Yes. See next one, 19th one. Like a puzzle they have given. According to this we have to identify which animal it is. I am a desert animal. When they told desert animal only, most of you might have get answer. Desert means mostly camels will be there in the deserts. I live in hot deserts. I have thick skin with little hair. Who am I? Okay. I am a desert animal. It is a desert animal. I live in hot deserts. It will live in hot deserts itself and it has thick skin with the little hair. Who is that animal, Nana? Camel. So 19th answer is A, camel. Clear? 20th one. Which of the following animals is friendly with us? Snake, dog, lion, all of this. So which animal will be friendly with us? Dog. Yes or no? Many will be having the dog as a pet in their homes. They will play with them. Yes or no? So dog is the animal which will be friendly with us. By this we have completed this lesson bits, and in the next class I will come with one more lesson. Thank you. And if you like our videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.